Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your IronFX profile. We can do this simply in 2 steps. The first step is click here on verify profile, or you can go to my profile and click here on verify profile. I'm not doing every single step with you because otherwise it costs me too much time. But let's say we want to verify, then you need to do all the steps right here. So your personal details, your tax residency, your home address, your employment details, financial details, and then give them some answers. And then here again, some investment knowledge. Once you did that, you click here on update, and then you will get the second step, and that is verify your identity. Then you need to verify your ID or your passport, sending that into this website. And then once you did it, you had step 2. Then after that, they want your address. So you need to verify your address by sending something from your bank account or your address, something like that. And then once you did that, you did all the 3 steps and you verified your account. So these are the 3 steps how you can verify your account on IronFX. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.